Welcome to Food Formulas. Let's make chicken croquettes. Take 2 slices of bread. Soak them with water. Make sure that bread slices are wet completely. Now squeeze the water. Now take 1 cup boiled shredded chicken, 1 cup boiled mashed potatoes, 2 tablespoons coriander, 1 small onion chopped or sliced, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon chili flakes, 1/2 teaspoon zira, 1/4 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, 2 tablespoons corn flour. Mix everything well. Mix it with hands so that it will become a dough. Now add soaked bread. Mix bread with the mixture. Now take small portion of mixture and make small rolls. With the same process, make rolls of all the mixture. Now take 1 egg. Dip the rolls in egg first. Now dip it in the breadcrumbs. Make sure that it coat in breadcrumbs completely. Heat the oil. Fry the rolls. Fry them on medium flame. Turn them so that they cooked properly. They turned golden brown. Take them out of all oil. Our chicken potato rolls are ready to eat. Enjoy an iftar. Do try the recipe and share your reviews.